Okay guys, in today's video I will show you how to clean this radar LCD. As you can see, I already pulled the brightness, but the appearance is still faded. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove all the screws, 4 screws. Then we will take off the cover, but we're not going to disconnect the uh, connector. So we're going to use only a tissue, and we will wipe the carbon deposit on the LCD of this radar. Okay, so let's begin. Let us remove the 4 screw. Okay, after that, just take off. Okay. So we're not going to remove the connector. So now, as you can see, okay, we're going to wipe out first this one. See, you can see now the carbon. Okay, after that, we need to wipe out also the cover. Too much carbon. See, as you can see. So this is how to clean this LCD radar. Maybe you join on a shift and you experience a radar that the screen is not visible, so you can take this example. If you want to use little water, you can use, but I'm just going to use a dry tissue. Just continue until you are satisfied. See, I can still get some dirt. Okay, for final touch. Okay, now finish. It's very easy. Okay, let's put the cover again. Okay, so there you go. The appearance is more visible compared to the previous. Okay guys, hope you learned something from this video. Thank you.